Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Remajamesjid channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating history of how Islam first came to the Americas. Islam first entered America through enslaved Africans, who were brought to the continent during the 16th and 17th centuries. Most of them came from West Africa, a region where Islam was already well established. One of the earliest known Muslims in American history was Estevanico, a Berber slave from North Africa. He joined a Spanish expedition and became known as an explorer and guide who traveled through areas that are now part of Arizona and New Mexico. It is estimated that between 15 to 30% of the African slaves brought to the Americas were Muslims. Despite the harsh conditions and forced conversions, many of them secretly preserved their Islamic faith and traditions. Some historians believe that Muslims played significant roles in mapping and guiding European expeditions, including Estevanico, who became a key figure in early exploration. Over time, Islamic teachings began to spread slowly among the enslaved population and the wider community, though the influence remained limited at first. Later on, during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, there was a new wave of Muslim migration from the Middle East and North Africa to the United States. This led to the formation of Muslim communities across the country. They established mosques, built institutions, and took part in various social, cultural, and political activities. Today, Islam is one of the fastest growing religions in the United States, with millions of followers and hundreds of mosques across the nation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more inspiring content from Remajamesjid. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.